The more advanced the design, only requires the simplest materials. By laying interlayer materials in the structure, you can get a landscape footpath with a stunning appearance. This kind of separation design is not easy to deform and can span longer distances, thereby reducing the foundation construction and reduce damage to ground vegetation. Meanwhile, the grid shape is windproof and rainproof and better cope with bad weather. The most important point is that it can well coexist with the surrounding nature. It can resist wind and rain, complement each other, presenting a different landscape feature